It's now time to play everybody's favorite game, What's in the Big ol' Envelope? Yeah, what's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, tape. Tape. Underneath the tape. All right. Josh versus the tape. Hey! I win! All right. So, I have a newer Snow White. She has feet. Is this one burnt? Yeah, this one's burnt. So I have a Bert. Then I have... Oh, that's good. I have an egg baby. Egg baby in the house. Oh, but luckily I have this. Oh, they put... Oh, no! The tape is stuck to it. Ah. Oh, and the bubble got dented all to hell. All right. Well. All right. Sorry about that. I had to fight some tape some more. So I'm going to try something. There is a dent in this bubble, and I want to save this error on card. So I'm going to try to use some of this tape to pull it out. So what I'm doing is I'm putting the tape in and pushing it to where it touches it pretty good. And let's see what happens. Rip it off like a Band-Aid, right? Pulled out some of it. Ooh, but I got a bad dent right here. And a lot of sticky tape. So I'm going to use the end of my poker here. I hope this works. And like a Band-Aid. No, I think that dent's too deep. Oh, that stinks so bad. You don't want to have a dented bubble. Yeah, it's all dented up. Well, do or do not, there is no try. I tried and failed miserably. The lesson here is never try. But I have another error. Ooh, with twice the candy. See? 2 times that candy. Oh, we're going to have to find a way to fix this. So until then, which will be next time, maybe? I'm not sure. So until next time...